we are studying the one of the three types of the special chromosomes which you have to study. You have already studied the Lamprey chromosome and polytene chromosome, and today we are studying the B chromosome. As you know, just I have defined the B chromosome. B chromosomes are such chromosomes which are found in addition to the normal chromosome in the cell. Okay, so this is the definition of the B chromosome. What are B chromosomes? B chromosomes are special chromosomes which are found in addition to the normal chromosome in the cell. They are mostly found in the plants, flowering plants. Okay, but they have also been reported in animals like the hemipteran insects and some protozoans. So these B chromosomes are also reported in the animals, but they are more prominent. They are more prominently found in the flowering plant, and there are about 1,000 and more than 1,000 plant species in which the B chromosomes have been reported. And among the flowering plant, okay, the members of the B chromosomes are more common and more prominently found in the members of the family Solanaceae. Solanaceae, the family Solanaceae and its member are well known for having this special type of chromosome which we call B chromosomes. B chromosomes are also known as the supernumerary chromosomes. Supernumerary chromosomes, and they are also known as the accessory chromosome, and they are also known as subsidiary chromosome. So there are three other names for this B chromosome. B chromosome, there are three additional other names which include the accessory chromosome, subsidiary chromosome, and supernumerary chromosome. These chromosomes are genetically unnecessary. They do not have much genetic significance. Okay? So these chromosomes are very important. They are very important and more common in the members of the family Solanaceae. Now, I would like to show you the whiteboard on which the diagram of this B chromosome has been sketched, and then I would discuss the various features and genetical effect of the B chromosomes. Okay. So now at first, let us 1 minute, wait for 1 minute. Okay. So now look at the whiteboard and try to understand the diagrams of the B chromosomes which have been shown on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard. So just I have drawn the sketch. I have sketched a cell of the plant Tradescantia, in which the B chromosomes have been shown as a dot-like structure. These are the dot-like structures. Look here. These are the dot-like 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, and more than that. So the various dot-like structure have been shown in this cell, and these dot-like structure represent the B chromosome. And these are the normal chromosomes. These are the rod-shaped normal chromosomes have also been shown here. And in addition to the normal chromosome, B chromosomes are appearing. B chromosomes are present in this cell, and these B chromosomes appear like a very small dot in the form of very small dot. And this is the cell of the plant Tradescantia, where the B chromosomes have been shown, where B chromosomes are found, which have been shown here in the form of a very small dot. And this is the B chromosome of maize plant. This is the B chromosome of maize plant. Look here. This is the B. These are the dot-like structure shown here are the B chromosomes of the Tradescantia, and this is the B chromosome of the maize plant. Look here. This is the centromere. This is the heterochromatic part. This is the euchromatic part. Again, heterochromatic and euchromatic part. So this is I have shown here the B chromosomes of the two different plants. One of them is the Tradescantia and another is the maize. Okay. So these B chromosomes, as far their nature is concerned, B chromosome consists of either completely of the euchromatic part or either of completely of the heterochromatic part, or it may be consisting of both heterochromatic and euchromatic part. The B chromosome of the Tradescantia is made up of euchromatic part. Okay, whereas the B chromosome of the maize plant consists of both the heterochromatic and euchromatic part. Look here, the dark line shows here the heterochromatic, and this is the light part shown as the euchromatic part. This is the centromere, and B chromosomes are generally acrocentric chromosome. You know, I have already described the types of the chromosome on the basis of the centromere, like the metacentric chromosome and metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. The B chromosomes are acrocentric chromosome. These chromosomes are generally acrocentric chromosome. The centromere is present just below the tip, just below the end of the chromosome, just below the end of the chromosome. Okay, so these are the mostly they are the acrocentric, and the chromosome may be consisting of both the heterochromatic and euchromatic part, or it may be consisting of either only the euchromatic part, as in the case of Rhodescansia B chromosome. Now look at the various features of the B chromosome. The various features I have written here, the features of the B chromosome. B chromosomes appear like very small dot in the cell or nucleus. They are acrocentric. Acrocentric remain deeply stained. If it is heterochromatic, it remains deeply stained. It consists of both the heterochromatic and euchromatic part. Totally euchromatic part is found in the Rhodescansia. The B chromosome is totally made up of euchromatic part in case of Rhodescansia, whereas it may be consisting of both heterochromatic and euchromatic part in the males. This B chromosome is stable during the B chromosome is unstable during the mitotic cell division. B chromosome is not stable, rather it is unstable during the mitotic cell division. Their number is variable. You may ask the question, how many B chromosomes are found in the cell? The number of B chromosomes are variable in the cell. It varies in different, the number of B chromosome is variable, and it varies from a species to a species in the plant. So their number is variable. This B chromosome bring about has the capacity to alter the nuclear phenotype. They are not homologous to any. You know that the B chromosomes are not homologous to any normal chromosome present in the cell, but they form the multivalent among themselves. If more than one B chromosomes are present, they may form they may form multivalent during the process of meiosis, but not with the homologous with any normal chromosome. Rather, they pair among themselves to form multivalent. They are inherited in the non-Mendelian fashion. They do not show the they do not follow the pattern of the Mendelian inheritance. Rather, they are inherited in non-Mendelian fashion, and they affect. What are the effects? What are the effects of the B chromosome? The B chromosome has various effects. The B chromosome have various effects. The B chromosome affect the flowering, affect the seed formation. They have adverse effect on the fertility. They interfere. They increase the chiasma frequency. They have adverse effect on the fertility. They interfere. They have adverse effect on the growth and development. So these are the effects of the B chromosome. So this B chromosome are B chromosomes are genetically unnecessary chromosome found in the plants, because they do not have very much significant role to play in the plants. Therefore, they are called genetically unnecessary chromosome, and due to which they are also known as the supernumerary chromosome. So just to have learned that the B chromosomes are also a special chromosomes, but unlike Lambrus and polytene chromosome, they are very, very small in size, and they appear like a very small dot in the cell. And they, as far their constitution is concerned, chemical, they may be consisting of entirely of the euchromatic part, or maybe consisting of both the heterochromatic and euchromatic part. And the best example of the B chromosome consisting entirely of the euchromatic part is from the Rhodescansia, whereas the B chromosome consisting of both the heterochromatic and euchromatic part is found in the maize plant. Okay? And they are acrocentric chromosome. They are unstable during the mitosis. They do not pair with they are not homologous with any normal chromosome, but they form the multivalent among themselves, and they are genetically they do not have to play a major role as far their genetic importance is concerned, and as far their role and effect on the growth and development of the plant and fertility of the plant and flowering and seed setting are concerned, they have adverse effect. they have adverse effect. They do not have they generally do not have beneficial effect. So these are the B chromosomes, and you have to write about the B chromosomes in your. If you are asked to write short notes on the B chromosome in your examination, you must write your all the features, the definition, features, genetical effect, and you must also draw the diagram which I have shown on the whiteboard. So now this is the B chromosome. Now I would like to interact with you because now you have already studied the Lambert's chromosome, polytene chromosome, and B chromosome. So now just I am going to interact. I may ask some question from you. You must remain at present 8 students are connected with me. Don't leave the discussion and let me know. I would like to interact with you on the special chromosomes.